If you want wholesome, delicious food, you have to get a torpedo pot. Growing 70 watermelons with no human intervention. So you'll have food for the rest of your life. You put your seeds in the planter. Put your plants in that planter. See that planter right there? I want you to see it. See that decal? It's called torpedo pot. And you'll have food for the rest of your life. Okay, here you go. Got one. It looks like I can chomp into this. What do you think? So this has been growing in a fungal environment. This is what your food looks like in a fungal environment. Near perfect. Near perfect. All right, bye-bye. Isn't this beautiful? I just want to take a shot to the watermelons again. Look at this, man. This is beautiful. It's torpedo pot. The world's first self-growing planter. You don't have to do anything anymore. Look, it's even growing all the way down here, the vine. As long as 21 feet. And the vine is still kicking and growing. Man, dude. If it can grow, it will grow. Get a torpedo pot. Stop messing around. There's no competition. It's watermelon. All these bunches of watermelon hanging around here. Dude, I have a lot of watermelon. I have more watermelon than you can shake a stick at. And I don't even know what to do with it. They're spoiling. Because I'm not doing anything with them like I should be. I should be eating them. And I'm not eating them like I should be. So that more can grow. See all these ants? These ants will have a home forever. And they'll be able to help pollinate the flowers. This is beautiful. All right, so Darren Radisson, torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys later.